Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Versa dashboard. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable from your car's battery to prevent electrical issues. Next, you'll need to remove the shift knob and any surrounding console trim. Then, carefully unhook the faceplate of the car radio and unfasten its bracket, disconnecting any wiring. Do the same for the climate control unit, ensuring all connectors are detached. Moving on, you'll need to address the steering column. Lower it as far as possible and secure it out of the way to provide ample working space. Next, locate and remove the screws holding the instrument cluster in place. Gently pull the cluster forward, then carefully disconnect all electrical wiring harnesses from its backside. Take care not to damage any clips or connectors during this step. Now, focus on the dashboard's peripheral components. Use a trim removal tool to gently pry out the air vents, as they are often held by clips. Proceed to the glove box. Undo its screws and pull it out, unhooking any fasteners. Be aware that some dashboard sections, like the passenger trim, may have 3 to 4 hidden screws accessible after the glove box is removed. For the final stage, locate and remove all remaining screws and bolts securing the dashboard to the vehicle's frame. These are typically found along the top, sides, and underneath the dashboard. Once all fasteners are removed, carefully slide the dashboard forward to access any final wiring. Double-check that all electrical connections are detached before completely pulling the dashboard out of the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.